Shana, say hi. Hi. Hi.
Hey guys, welcome back to our channel Anna Indian. So guys, today we are at RD's Nature Retreat Resort. It's about 40 kilometers from central Bangalore. So we left at around 8 o'clock in the morning and we were here around 9:30. So approximately it takes about 1.5 hours depending on the traffic in Bangalore, as you all know. So yeah, it's in between the mountains, so we had nice view from top of the mountain as well while driving here. We're here for a stay which involves 10 coupons for activities, so around 2 coupons for activities it will be. And apart from that, they also have fish koi over here, which is excluded from the coupons. And then yeah, let's go ahead and show you around. So as soon as we enter, there is parking, which is quite huge, as you can see here. So this is the entrance. Hi Rupa.
Hi.
Come. Nine people, right? So when they It's a nice big swing and Shania and Rupa are enjoying. Yeah. Oh, he's so happy. You're happy? Yeah.
Yeah? Say yeah.
Are you happy?
Yeah, I'm happy.
Say happy.
Yeah, I'm happy.
Okay, Tata, bye. We will show you the next one. Okay, so now we are going to the little rocks and Shana is all set to take some pictures. Isn't it, Shana? We have a small bridge also there. Stand up, stand up. Stand, yeah, jump. Come on. Yeah.
അതവിടെ ചെയ്ത് കഴിഞ്ഞ് അവിടെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത് വേണ്ട നമ്മളത് ചെയ്തു അവിടെ മാർക്ക് ചെയ്ത്
Come on, jump.
ഒത്തിരി ചെയ്തേ നമ്മൾ കറങ്ങുമല്ലേ തലയൊക്കെ കറങ്ങുമല്ലേ ഞാൻ ഒത്തിരി ചെയ്താൽ ഛർദ്ദിക്കും അത്
See how that bear is jumping. Anna.
Yes, yes, yes.
You're trying to do one flip. Yeah. Okay, I'll keep jumping.
See, Mama is going. Bye bye. Baby is also going. Gonna what?
10 seconds later.
While she comes back from here. Bye, Mama. Where's Mama going? Mama going in water?
5 minutes later.
Bye, Mama. Mama is going, see? See where Mama is going?
346 minutes later. One debt to society later.
Mama is... अरे उसमें गैस नहीं है अभी हाँ मारो You can do it. Pull more. Yeah. Very good. लगा? Yeah. Okay, start. Very good. Go, go. Put your hand. Yeah. Good. चलो lift your leg, other leg. Yeah. अब चलो ऊपर. ऊपर रखो पहले. हाँ. Correct. हाँ. Good. हो जाएगा. Do it. Come on, come on. So it's time for lunch. First trying to feed Shania. And Shania is more particular about ice cream because she likes ice cream a lot. So non-veg we have two types of chicken. One is Guntur chicken and one is chicken gravy, egg curry, and then we have chicken biryani as well. Veg we've got paneer, french fries, some salad, noodles and some naan and roti. Alright, the food quality is really good. As expected, they have given really tasty and healthy, I mean not say healthy but yeah, very tasty food. Ball. No. Ball. Give me the ball. Water. water, 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 water. Dada lake. Baby water. Pani, pani, water, 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 water. Properly, sit properly. Yeah. Ball. Hi, Shreya. 3, 2. No, don't do that, don't do that, don't do that.
हाँ
बता देना 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1. Time for high tea, guys. Let's show you around what's there in high tea. So here is our high tea. Some vades, chickpeas, tea, coffee, lemon tea. Hey guys, good morning. So सुबह हो गई है और अब मैं आपको बताता हूँ यहाँ का एक्सपीरियंस कैसा रहा है. बढ़िया एक्सपीरियंस रहा है. मैं कहना चाहूँगा आपको कि जो सर्विस रही है स्टाफ की, इट इज़ कमेंडेबल. हमें जब जो चीज़ की ज़रूरत पड़ी वो उन्होंने हमें दिलाया है. इवनिंग में जब डिनर का बात आया तो या दे हैड वैरायटी ऑफ डिनर एज वेल and then it was again tasty. We could not record the dinner video because Shania was little crazy. She started crying because of some issues, so we could not record that. And अब हम जाएंगे breakfast करने. One more thing guys, रात को हमने शनाया के लिए अलग से चपातीस और राइस बनवाई थी, and these staff are really helpful. They made it for us and then they served it in our room, which is really commendable. Okay. You like to swing, beta? Shana. Hello.
हेलो
Hi, Shana.
हाय शनाया
So guys, this is the place where the artificial waterfall is there, but currently it is not. Hi, Shania. Okay, come, let's go. We have idli, we have chutney, we have vada, we have sambar, some bowls, sambar again. This is peas rice, this is bisi bele bhat. And then the next round will be here. We have upma, we have kesari bhat, we have oatmeal, we have butter potato, and we have boiled egg. Yay! ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ, ਚੱਕ ਦੇ ਇੰਡੀਆ।
गाइस बहुत ही हमने एंजॉय किया है यहाँ पे एंड आई रियली अप्रिशिएट द हार्ड वर्क द स्टाफ्स दे डू हियर लाइक दैट इज़ रियली अप्रिशिएटेबल। बहुत इन लोगों ने हमें सपोर्ट किया है एज कल रात के बारे में बताना चाहूँगी। जैसे कि डिनर में मैंने उनको बोला कि फॉर माई बेबी देयर इज़ नथिंग टू ईट, सो उन्होंने तुरंत ही उसके लिए गीला राइस और एक पतली चपाती बना कर दिया। सो दैट इज़ रियली अप्रिशिएबल। बहुत ही सपोर्टिव स्टाफ है यहाँ पे। सो या इन टोटल हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया है। सारी एक्टिविटीज़, कुछ एक्टिविटीज़ नहीं थे अवेलेबल, रीज़न बीइंग टेम्पररी क्लोज थे यहाँ पे एक्टिविटीज़ जो थे थोड़े। बाकी उसके अलावा दूसरे एक्टिविटीज़ जो हैं यहाँ के बहुत ही अच्छे रहे हैं। हमने बहुत एंजॉय किया, स्पेशली स्विमिंग पूल। वी डिड एंजॉय द स्विमिंग पूल हियर। सो या दैट्स इट।
हमारा टाइम हो गया है यहाँ से जाने का। सो डू लेट अस नो हाउ यू लाइक दिस वीडियो एंड देन do consider visiting here once if you are adventurous and if you like nature, and then this resort is completely within mountains, so you will have very good views as well. So yeah guys, time to go now. We will catch up in the next video. Bye bye. Yay, bye. Say bye beta.
Bye.